Thank you for the lion.
Yes. Thanks to the lion people.
You don't get the lion in time. I'm going to tell you when you get the lion. You get the other.
Oh, the lion not come up yet. Send a rose, send a tiger, send a kitty. Please.
My side, power top my side. Yeah, Karen, when you said the reason why you burn Shawn shoes, what is the cause of it?
The man
False
died.
shoes, yeah.
Man died, and
People are bad mind me.
People are bad man Shawn, so Shawn are weird.
The bad man Shawn, because Shawn wear soldier shoes and them not, they don't have any to wear. So the bad man Shawn.
Yeah, bad man Shawn, because of that.
Cause Paul give me the shoes and then at that, Paul give me the shoes, you see? It come like a problem. Right now, I flex. Right now, you see? Me I got town next week, Tuesday, Wednesday. And no care where them are people on life. Them can't rule me and tell me what to do. Cause me have 42.
Well, on chat, tell them get the speed. Well, tell them get the speed over here. Carry on the phone. Chat 5 people.
Send a lion, send a rose, please.
Chat 5 rows, chat 5 rows.
Send a kitty, please.
Chat, me have almost 500 people over here. I can't get 5 rows. This don't look good. Chat 5 rows, please. Yeah.
You hear me?
The rose over my part.
You get it, Karen?
Yeah, thanks to the rose people.
Yeah, me get the rose.
All right.
Yeah.
Tell them you the triple now. Tell them you the triple now, Karen.
Triple people.
Mr. Triple chat. Chat, show them up chat. Show them up chat. We have 2 in chat. We have 2 now get chat. Triple chat.
Please and thank you.
Chat, triple chat.
Thanks to the rose, yeah?
Chat, triple my side. Chat, we have 2 now get chat. Triple chat.
Come with that triple.
That triple chat.
Count your blessing, boy.
Then a real chat. No real there.
No real there. Come people.
Man sleep now, guys. No
Send
sleep.
a call, please.
You are announcing the chat.
Send a rose, send a lion, send a tiger. Anything.
Chat,
Send
no
a-
bad punch triple chat. Nothing punch triple chat.
Triple.
Man
Chat,
sleep.
you got money gun chat. My
See the
God.
lion there. Thanks to the lion.
No, you don't get the lion yet. Me tell you when you get the lion. You don't get the lion yet.
No,
My
come
God. That the rail. I get the rail. Anne-Marie sent me the rail.
here. Yeah, thanks to the real people.
God, me get the rail. You don't get the rail yet.
Yeah. Send a money gun. Please.
And me get the rail.
Send a money gun, send a tiger, send a food.
Sean, what you saying that now, Sean? What you saying about the shoes? You was saying what money when you going to bring?
Let me tell you people in thanks. Thanks to the rose people. Thanks to the kitty.
Yeah.
Man. Yeah, man. Yeah, me I tell you say, Paul, give me the shoes. Auntie.
Rose, guys.
Yeah, thanks to the rose people.
You was saying you're going to print money and what about?
Oh, yeah, what I was saying, you see? Me a 42-year-old. Me I make the people know. Me not care who are Bex. Funny life. I am 42-year-old now, and nobody can put no word in my mouth and tell me what to do. Them wrong, and them pass wrong. Now, so me I say, me not gonna make nobody rule me and tell me what to do. Cause if we go do my little bus ministry, me no want nobody bad mind me and tell me say, yeah, that's the bus ministry, and go back in the devil world. Me not in that.
Sean, come like a dropping word, like a throwing shade. Who you talking?
Exactly.
Who you talking?
No, people. We are gonna put
Let's come
word
like
in
you sending
our
a
mind.
message. Sean, come like you sending a message to somebody. Who you sending a message to?
No, me just attack. Me not send a message. Just attack. Say, people always want to bring me down. I want to put word in my mouth there. I go tell you, say, Shawn, if you preach one bus, I want you give up on the preaching. No, me not in that. Understand me? Cause it good when a person go out there and serve the Lord and tell them about the love of God and give their life to the Lord and accept Him.
That's true. Tell people them thanks for Anne-Marie. Big up yourself now.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Big up yourself now.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Everybody over here want to support the live. Big up.
Yeah, big up yourself, people. Send a rose, send a lion, send a tiger. Please. Yeah, man. And a years now, me I do bus ministry. And me never give up. Up to what day when me got church sister over there, and one lady stop me and ask me, say, when last you do your bus ministry, you give up on it? You get hype on it? Me say no. And the lady look at me and tell me, say, keep on do your boss ministry same way too. You can work and preach. Nothing wrong with that. But don't make
double chat.
Say you can go preach.
Double
when
chat.
You do your wrong there, so. Most of them wrong there, so. Them are the one who should have encouraged me and say, Shawn, save trouble on the journey.
Alright, what are you trying to say? They're supposed to allow you to go and preach by Monday and something like that is trying to say, don't it?
Yes,
alright, listen. Alright, so you want your day off to be on Monday. So you don't want to go to work on Monday, you want to go to preach on Monday. That's what you want to say?
No, if you can work and preach, sometimes me got to go preach, but not all the while.
No, Shawn, listen to me. If you want a day off on Monday where you can go preach, you understand? That's what he's saying. Monday is a preaching day. That's what he's saying.
Yeah, that I was saying.
So you don't want to go work on Monday, you want to go to preach on Monday. That's what he's saying.
No, me not, well, Mona said, me never tell you, say me not want to go work, you know. Man, for work and preach.
Yeah, but on Monday, how you going to work and preach on the same day?
Okay. Well, that's a problem, you know.
So that's I'm asking you, what do you want to do?
Triple.
Yeah, chill road chat. So you trying to say
send alliance and a tiger, please.
Chill road.
Yeah, cause people have ever say, make some of my people them all cuss me say, me make sake of people make them all stop you from preach. So me say, alright, miss, thanks to tell me.
Alright, question. What you enjoy doing more? What you enjoy doing more? Preaching or going to Shamirek? What pay you more?
Well, the preaching up now pay me still, you know. You preaching now when you preach and you ask one donation, you know.
And Marie, big up yourself. Triple chat.
Eh?
So that means I say so. The people them gonna mock you when you go on the bus and preach, because the people them know say Shawn Solomon is a real preacher. You understand?
But look here, all the years are that it a go on. People mock me all the years, donkey years now. Before me Shamin them know me, before Miss Ellis them know me, and the rest of them people them know me. And them mock, then do Jesus, you know what? Remember say them in crucify Christ. Because who Jesus died for, you know? God died for we sin, you know. Remember, the Bible say righteousness exalt a nation, you know. But exalt a nation, but sin is who they approach any man or any female out there. You understand? So when God gave the message and say, go up on the highways and the edging and you preach the word. If them no want to hear about God, they just allow them. Because the time will come then we want to hear the word and can't hear the word of God.
Yes, so that's why I ask you, if you want Monday to be a day off, you can preach the word of God. You can't arrange that with the boss and tell the boss, alright, it's a Monday day that I'm a preaching day. You understand? But you just can't stop on the run work, not show up, not say nothing to the boss, say you know, come to work, you understand?
Yeah,
that's the problem in it, you understand?
Yeah,
because you take a day now. But you say if you take a day from work, you have to make the boss know. All from Sunday night, say, boss, me now come and work tomorrow, you understand? But when the boss look for you to come and work and the boss and see you, and that's the problem there, you understand?
That's the problem there.
Yeah, that's the problem there. Yeah.
And department too. If a man they come back, come this fit my husband, you know, say a hell and pull house.
Yeah, the one Delford. The one Delford can go on like him a hooligan. I want when I
just go and work, so you know. If we move them on there from the workplace.
No man, Shaman, we know if you deal with him case, man. Shaman, we know if you talk to him, cause ain't go on like say him a too much hooligan, he no pitney big so. I mean like man, come go on like you want brainwash man. Go for that back there.
Hold on, Karen, you're saying Shaman have to remove that man before Shawn go back to work?
Yes, if we move him. Cause he might keep on molest, he might keep on disrespect, he might go keep on lick him up. You tell if you move him, man, move him. Of course. That's nothing bad.
Send a rose, send a lion, people, please. Cause him go on like say.
If Shawn come back and complain to me, say the boy or what the workplace are going to lick back so.
They want the police. Go down my police station then. I'll go down my station then, cause police station then nearby. Officer got all him say, look here. Are your son? Are your son?
Hold on, back up, son. Karen, what is it? If Shawn come and complain to you again, what gonna happen?
I don't know. That station, cause this station they near.
Yeah, just like one man tell me what they say.
Karen, what you saying to Shami? Shami have to get remove that guy from work before Shawn go back to work?
Yes, get rid of him.
Because all the while me go over there, he come and brainwash me and bully me.
I tell Shawn about if you move rubbish sheep, rubbish pan.
Yeah, IFS, let me tell you this. People want not listen that, want listen to this.
Triple my side. Tell the people them use the triple over the carry on the phone. Tell them
use the triple people. Use the triple, please. Triple people. Me go tell you this, people.
That can't work.
Me go tell you this. You see my wife? When he come and tell you
husband. Hold on, back up, sir. Let me carry that back up, sir. Your time to go. Carry what you saying?
If Shawn want Shawn back to come and work, move him up on the workplace. Move him.
I want him and tell him say.
Now come back there. And argument done.
People, I go tell them I don't have this right. Look here. Me talk to them people upon the live and make them understand. Cause some people love judge people.
Hold on the backup singer. Hold on, me want you Karen up say Karen come defend your work, you know. You should get a chance to talk. Karen, what you say?
When it come out to my husband, me, I'm a woman.
So you say if Shami don't remove that man, Shawn not gonna go back to work?
She say she's a mad woman when he come and to her husband here. Cause some people they don't know how me and Karen come from. You understand me?
For me and Shawn come from.
And the whole of we come born and grow and live at Portmore.
No.
I same thing when me there Portmore with me and the boy. I same thing the boy box up Karen and box me and box Paul and take cutlass and lick Paul in her hand. Mr. Grant in her hand. And we go to station the boy go tell her say put your hand for me. Same thing I town, that's why we run it from town and Portmore come a bus stop. Come a bus stop come sleep and a bus stop to Miss Ellis. Obviously we a bus stop and take me up. I see and me tell Miss Ellis yesterday. I said Miss Ellis, me thank you for what you do for me. You understand me? I met the people my judge.
Right, what understand? Well, understand? So you believe say Shami have to get rid of that guy before you go back to work too? That's what you're saying?
You know, upgrade him before.
No,
you have to get rid of him.
Hold on, Shawn. Restart the live. You have 3 restrictions. Karen, restart the live. You have 3 restrictions. End the live.